I'm just outside. I'm trying to start a garden, and so I was pretty proud of my plant. I want to show somebody. I'm so glad you said, hey, I want to show you. So my yard doesn't get a lot of sunshine because of all the trees. Hey, good morning. Hi, Tom. My yard doesn't get a lot of sunshine because I have all these awesome trees around, and I'm gonna start a hay bale garden. Here's one hay bale, and I got some more over there. So you have to put leaves or some kind of something to stop the weeds from coming up before you put your hay bales down. So I'm gonna use all of the leaves from all of my trees. Can you see that? So what I'm doing today is putting leaves wherever the sun hits the yard, so I'll know where I can put my bales of hay. So right now this is the only patch. So I have my hay bale, or my leaves there, but it's actually getting bigger, like it was just where the sunshine is, and now the sun is around it. So I've collected some more leaves. So that is what I'm doing before I go back. Thank you, Tom. I was like, hey, this will be great. So then as the day goes by, I'll just, I don't know if you can see that, I'll just fill in the spots where the sunshine is. So, and I read that you need to have at least 6 hours of sunshine. So I'll keep track. I'll take pictures and it'll have the time on it. And then I should have an idea where to stop and start for. It's like it's like a sundial. I'm doing kind of like a garden sundial right now. And here, do you see that big pile of branches? It's bigger than it looks. And this big tree, that was all hanging in the middle of the yard here. So yesterday I cut that all down. So I have a little bit more sunshine coming in, and I might cut a few of these branches down so the sun will come through a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing. Here, while I'm out here, I'll show you my chicken coop. My son and I built this out of almost all scrap wood from our neighborhood. But I need to cut these trees down too, but that's my chicken coop. So the run itself, I bought the wood for, but the coop itself is made out of like old tables that people were throwing away. This is an old, like a closet, a dresser drawer pole. But that was fun to do. But I really haven't spent any time in the yard for like a couple years, really doing anything. So that's what I'm doing. But I hope you guys are having a good day. Now that I've filled in my sun area, I'll probably go back in and have some coffee. But I love you guys. Puppy, say hi. Bye-bye.